Okay. 2 respawns. We get 2 respawns. They get 1.
So we run back out to respawn?
No, we're down over here. Okay. You basically have to take this hill, get to the other side of it, and then we win.
Okay.
The way they're gonna win is if they drain all our tickets because we both get 2 respawns. Or all of us get 2 respawns.
Okay.
No, it's fucking stuck!
The way they win is if they drain
Ah, son of a bitch!
the way we win is if we drain all theirs, get on the other side of the hill.
I'm not putting it in my fucking back pocket. Hey, dude, how many walkers you guys have?
No, I hate you because I hate you.
Alright, but hey, you think I should be able to wear the pack if I bought the pack? There's really no reason why you can't.
It does look cool.
Exactly.
What?
He's packed.
Oh.
But he's representing a team that he's not even in.
A team that has no more people.
A team that no longer exists. Let's do this.
You need 2 people to be the team.
Then it can be his lone wolf pack.
Exactly. Lone ass motherfucking wolf. With another
I like that movie.
Another pack member.
pack people like me. The wolf. The lone wolf.
It was a lone wolf pack.
Do it. Do it, please. Ah.
So, what'd you do? Where'd Barra go?
Yeah,
He
where's
pointed
the-
his gun.
We lost Barra! You're briefing him. Calm down.
Uh oh.
Okay. Barra's definitely dead.
She gone. He gone.
Hey guys, look, a white dog turd. Who wants to lick it?
Walker.
Walker, you're the turd licker here.
Y'all sit and sit.
Shut up, you mongoloid son of a bitch.
I want to. I want to.
Hey, we got Mac. Assume the position.
Assume the position. Hold on, we got 5 minutes to plan. Check this shit out though. What? You gotta play down there sometime.
Oh, I know that, Mark.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Alright, we've got 5 minutes.
I'd wear my ghillie suit.
10:21, we start 10:22.
Oh, never mind. I forgot my thing.
Okay, so listen up. Everyone,
So I vote I do the friendly conversation to seduce them and make them not want to.
Hey, I got another.
Go ahead.
From now on, if you're gonna come out here and play
does
airsoft
that work
with
with
us,
Lauren?
A, no littering,
Hey.
and B, no fucking
Hey.
sweatpants.
Pick it
Shut
up.
Listen.
Pick it
Everyone,
up.
Shut up. Okay, so Kevin's got the sniper. So Kevin's gonna be our Jordan Stump. I need one person to go with Kevin through the woods, and he's gonna put some fire. I need somebody with an assault rifle.
I'll go.
Okay. Well,
you
he's
would
got
have
longer
longer
range. You two, you need to cover Kevin. You guys are moving through the woods, up on their position, and put some fire from above on that hill.
Hold on. You need to be specific about their movement. Either it's going to be fast or it's going to be try to be quiet.
I'd say quiet.
Keep quiet. Don't let
We'll
them know
make
you're
a,
there.
we'll make a
Keep
lot of
quiet
noise
until
here.
they figure out you're there.
Yeah.
Stay low.
But basically, I don't want you to fire unless you absolutely have to defend him. I want you to fire though because you're going to probably really quiet,
Nah.
at least decently.
Fire.
And I want just click so they know that BBs are coming at them, and just keep their heads down so we can move up.
We'll make a
Basically-
lot of noise here, so we'll try to keep them off you pretty well.
So that leaves.
but
what?
be careful, because they'll be trying to move up on that hill, but it's really hard to get up over
No,
there.
Brandon,
number.
So
can you hold
you
this, please?
should be okay for a while.
Not by the handle, though.
We're gonna
Like,
have
not by
3 of
this,
us
because
on
they'll
one
fall
side and
off.
3 on the other.
There's
So
some
hard
trees
to
on
do
this
it.
side, and
Yeah,
on
I'll
that
just
side
do
there's
that.
a small like little indent, like ravine thing.
There you go.
It's pretty good to move through, unless just I don't know how.
Good.
What
Yeah, thanks, man.
You 4 move up through this main area, and then Jake and I are gonna try and go on the right side. Actually,
Us four?
yeah, you
So it's just
4.
me and Kevin.
Okay. Jake and I, you 2 are
And
going through the woods.
Okay.
Jake and I are going through the right side because there's a little passage on the side that we could try and push against
Where's that
from
at?
behind. I'll show you. Sorry, on the far right.
Hey, I say we assign each pistol packer an assault rifle. Guys, so
Yeah.
you two and you two.
Okay.
Alright? You protect him, he protects you. Only he's terrible at it.
Me?
Yeah.
I wouldn't say
Hello?
I'm terrible at
No,
it.
no, you're good. Your gun is awesome. His is
Sacrifices must be made!
Yep.
Is there any way you can get that stuff clean?
Hang on, I got an idea. Yeah.
Are you guys all ready?
Un momento, por favor.
Let's spread out.
Okay, we're gonna give it. Hey, we're gonna give a 10-second countdown. Okay. Whenever you get down to 1, go. Okay.
Hang on.
Let me unclip this real
I
quick.
think I put the first. Why not?
Can you confirm that?
You gotta make sure they yell it. Tell them to
Hey,
yell it because
We're
they'll
giving
sneak.
a 10-second countdown. Okay.
And yell it.
It's part of Uno Momento did you not get?
So aggressive.
Hey,
Jack.
Barra, are we gonna be coming back here?
For respawn.
Okay, cool. Then I'll set my one ball here.
Okay. We're gonna go. Just count down from 10, starting right now. Okay.
They can see it.
Go.
Go, I'm following you, man.
Ah, just got whacked. Look out. Where y'all going this way? Where are we going?
Go, I'll go. Shit.
Good. You good?
My shoes got traction. Hey, over here, Brandon. Right here? No, right here. Look. It's clear. Ow.
Move up. You know what? You're fine. Move up to this tree. Lay down. You're in a good spot. Get into those Jesus skins. Walker. No, Walker. Get in that. Well, actually, I would keep going. Sure. Wait, do you actually want to bring the weeds like over here? Yeah. Walk. Come around here and go in the weeds. Tommy. 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 Walker. 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 Go with them. Hurry up. Get in the woods. Go. Now.
shit. Hey! Negative.
Dead man walking!
Alright, look behind the tree. See him? Move into the grass. See him?
I see him.
Ready? Sarah, you want to cover him? Let's go.
So where are you going?
What?
Where are you going? If they're far away, don't shoot because you're wasting your ammo.
No, scissors. No, I'm right here. Dude, they got some people.
I see him.
You hear? I see all three of them.
I see him.
There's three of them.
Hey, moving up.
I'm out. I'm out.
Vera.
There, I'm out.
Vera. Hey, I'm moving up. Cover me. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Get down. Get down.
Is it loaded?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks.
I'm gonna need it back though.
I'm gonna reload this anyway and have a secondary. Is that right?
Don't shoot far away. Shoot up close.
I know. I'm gonna reload this. Visual. Visual. Wait. Listen. There's a guy coming from the left. It sounded like it. One sec. Can I use your pistol too?
Get down. Get down.
I'm good. Alright, I got ammo and I got the secondary. Is it alright if I use your pistol?
Well, if you got ammo.
I was just gonna have
I
a
know. I need
secondary
my
whenever
second.
I get
I need my secondary.
One sec. Here you go. Is it loaded?
Mm-hmm.
Here, load. Visual. It's
Yeah, I
Devin.
know. Where?
Allmeyer. He's straight ahead. Shit.
I can't see him.
Stand up real quick. Just get up, back down.
I see him. That's not Allmeyer.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
That is
Allmeyer's
Allmeyer.
wearing tactical.
No, he's wearing desert camo.
I know. I meant to say that.
Barra.
Cover me.
There's one right there. That is Devin. That's Devin. Yeah, he's definitely down.
Oh, okay. I'm getting out of these. Fucking.
Try there. All right, wait.
I'm gonna try to move up.
I got it. Oh shit. Got a visual. Two.
Cover me.
Moving up. They're moving up.
Cover me. I'm moving up. So you see that tree?
They're moving up. They're right there. They're walking up. Hey, they think they only have two. They can't see Barrow.
Or is everybody out?
No, Chandler's in, I think. Chandler and Lane. Wait, where's Hayden?
I think he's out. No, he would respawn.
He went to? Did
I don't know.
you see him get out?
You see that? You see that small tree up there?
The green one?
Yeah.
Right here in the weeds?
Yeah.
You going for it?
Yeah.
No, don't go. Not yet. Not yet. Shoot. Ready?
Give me a visual. Where are they?
One right in the path and another one sitting in the tree. But you can't move. That's Devin. Ready? Shit, there's a third guy. Go, 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 go. Walker, that's our guy. That's our guy. That's our guy. He's ours.
What do you mean?
He's ours. He just went in there because he found my guy. He's our guy.
I see him.
Walker. Watch to the left. Make sure they're not trying to. You good?
You're damn well invisible, boy. Yeah, I can see fucking invisible.
Hold on.
Visual close is looking up there.
I know, I sell them.
Hear it? Keep him up. Watch left. They might try to flank. Hey, there's a little path here. I'm gonna go up a little bit.
Go.
Let's see right here. Come on.
Go. 1 second.
Do you want to move down here? It's kind of like a dip.
I see. I'm moving up.
Barrel.
He can't cover us anymore.
Damn, I'm gonna have to walkie-talkie. All right, you ready? Lane's right there. See him?
You see that tree right there?
Where?
That tree right there?
The weird one with two trunks.
The one that's in the one that's
Go.
the one that's
I
in.
got you. Let's go. Let's go. I got you covered.
Hold on. There's rocks.
What?
There's rocks.
I'll go first.
Go, go, go.
Oh, dude. Hagen and them are right here. Hagen. Stay there. Stay there. Hagen. I'm gonna move up.
I'm moving up. I'm moving up. Huh? Oh yeah!
Nice. Wait. Nice.
Get proby, bitch. You see that hill?
Behind us.
That's him.
Okay, thank God. We're gonna move up to that pole because they're right on the thing. We can shoot them.
You gotta get your gun ready. Make sure. Hey, check your ammo. Good. Go. Go. Go.
You go first. Use the assault rifle. Go.
Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get out in the open. Get down.
Give the assault rifle. Go.
He's right there. Hold on. He's right there. And behind the trees, get down! He has a clear view of you.
Alright, I'm good. There's another one. I saw him.
I know.
He's hiding in the bushes. Is that one? Hey, you see the wood right there? Is that one in there?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Shit. That's a cool gun.
What? Where is he?
Go. He's on the top of the hill. Watch. Just peek out for a second. Over here. Peek out. Look. Look out. I'll tell you when. Just watch. Just watch. He's gonna come up right here. See the two yellow things from the pole?
Mm-hmm.
There he is. There he is. There he is. Go. He's on the top. He's on the other side of the hill. He'll get up. Watch. No, that hill.
I know.
Where the pole is. Look, there he is. You good? Can I see your other pistol? Just in case I run out of this.
Check your ammo.
What?
Check your ammo.
What?
Check your ammo.
You guys, on the ridge, he's firing at me. I'll keep him pulling. You guys can take him out.
Where? Where?
On the ridge.
Oh, over here?
On the ridge is a guy.
Yeah, I know.
Pin him down Matt.
It's Devin. I see him.
What?
I
We see him.
Keep him pinned down. You guys want me to move up on him, I can
Go.
try.
All right.
Jake, listening. Jake,
Yeah.
listening. Far left, that's where I'm at. We're on the first mound in the road. There's at least 3 of them. Jack automatic on the first mound.
Yeah.
Jack is behind him on the right, pulling out position.
You reload.
Yeah. I'm just gonna get
I
ready.
don't know how many other bogeys out there. I can't keep him pinned. He's shooting at me.
Where is
You
it?
guys get a shot at him? He's to the left of the utility pole. On the mound.
Yeah, I know.
He's got an orange tip. I don't know how you don't see him.
I see him.
Get him. He's aiming at me. Hey, you got 2 strikers on the first mound. 2.
I thought that didn't respawn.
One respawn.
Oh.
One respawn. Remember? Move up. Move up. Not that way. Not that way.
Why?
Because it's too loud. Hagen and them are right there trying to sneak up from behind and going through here. Move up. Go here. Go here. Into the brush.
Hold on.
I'll go. I'll go first.
Go, 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 go. Just run.
Brandon. Hey, Brandon. Yeah. Move up to one of the trees, the green one, and lay down. They can't see us.
I'm right there.
Push up a little bit. Everyone marginally push up. Put some pressure on it. I can't. I'm pinned. There's no such thing as being pinned. I'm pretty bad. Is that Jake? Yeah. Where's he at? There's only one. He's on the side of the mound. The closest one. Shooting in my general direction. He's down right now.
I'm going to go over there and help him.
No, this is what gives bonus.
You out?
Oh, shit. Hey, he's shooting at you.
Jake, listening. I'll give you cover. Push up center. I'll try. Give me like 10 seconds. I gotta get back on the other side. There's at least 2 on that mound, but only one of them. I can't. He's got me like sighted. What? Kevin! Kevin, Chandler, push down. There you go, Tommy. Go, 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 Jake, go, go. You got him. One is laying down.
That's Hagen. Oh no. Hagen's taking out Devin. I'm crossing. Go. Jake, go. Jake, go. Go.
Spot, dude. Got one down the road. Hey. Listening.
I see him.
I got him.
Go, Matt, go,
Go.
go, go, go.
Put him down, Jake.
Matt, you gotta sink if you want it.
Yeah.
Nice job, Matt.
Hey guys, I need backup up here.
Where at?
Up on the ridge, up here.
Roger.
I got 2 full autos on me.
And where?
Sidearm.
That's Ruby.
God, this tree is terrible cover. Don't you down. Hit.
Shit.
Fuck, I don't know where they're at, dude.
Yeah, I don't know either.
I can't see.
Move up. Move up. Get on the hill.
Huh? Thorns. Hold on. What? Proby's out for good.
One right there is not my game. Hagen's up there.
Where?
He's right here.
Is that Barra?
See the guy in the road? He's out. But there's another guy who's in the woods. He can pop out. Go, come on.
Brandon.
Yeah.
Look,
What?
we got movement. Right there.
Hagen's up in the
I know. Hagen, I need you to push on the right side. We got a couple autos down there.
Alright, let's go. Ready?
All 3 of us. Walker, you ready, buddy? You got it recording?
Yeah.
It's gonna be awesome. Fuck yeah, dude. Give me 1 second.
Let's go. I'll take that. Go.
Go.
Bring fire down. Walk right there. On the corner.
Where?
On the corner.
He's on our team. He's out.
I know.
Move up, Brandon. Move up.
Oh my god, that was close. That was close. I don't see him.
He missed.
Down.
He is?
He's down.
Give me covering fire.
Go. Watch the top of the hill.
Oh, shoot. How close. Logan has a pistol. No, Brandon. I don't got no
Matt, you fucking hurt.
Oh shit.
You got me right in the wrist.
He's up there.
Tommy, push down this hill.
He's up there. Logan's right there.
Visual.
He's right above you. He's
right on the other side
of the hill.
Start firing.
We need grenades.
I know.
You guys would have been fucking dead.
This is why I like the fire extinguisher.
That's all of us, basically.
Is he down? You down?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Hey! You guys got it? That fucking gun sucks ass.
Tommy, I think that's it.
I got you. Hey, probably I got you the first time.
Loader.